I'm Keltie Knight. I'm a television host, a podcast host, a New York Times bestselling author. One of my passions when I have free time is that I love everything that has to do with renovating a house. The reason I decided to renovate this bathroom is that when we bought this house, I knew that it was so special. And I knew it could just be my dream space, but I had no idea how to put it together.
My name's Cory McCrummen. I started off with interiors, and then I found that nobody really knew how to put it all together. So got my builder's license, and now I do both design and build.
My overall vision for this new bathroom was really focusing on two elements. Number one, I'm a huge bath person. I needed sanctuary, calmness, beauty. I can watch Housewives. And my second vision really was storage. I am a hoarder of beauty products because I work on television and I'm doing red carpets and photo shoots all the time. I'm always getting glammed here at home. I am a fancy bougie person with a regular girl budget. And I said, I want all of these things. Here's what I want. I want it to look like wood, and I want it to be 10 feet tall, and all these things. And he was like, yeah, that's like your entire budget if we were to do custom cabinetry, but I have an idea. And he came to me and he said, this is what a lot of people are doing now. You can simply build out what you want with Ikea bases, and then we can use the Modern Twig fronts and sides to make it look completely custom.
I went to my friends at Modern Twig, and we kind of had this idea, like, what if we design this like it is a kitchen? Like, what if we go ahead and take these huge boxes with a ton of storage and use the Modern Twig like fancy fronts and have it look really luxe? And I think it all looks like it's built into the space and like it's meant to be there. We had a schedule, which is one of the reasons why we worked with Modern Twig, because they're so quick at turning around. And with Modern Twig, we were able to knock out these cabinets, which are like the jewelry of the bathroom, super quickly. I used trace paper for the layout. I shot it off to Modern Twig. They turned it around and sent me a full rendering. I took those, I put those into my plans and sent them to Keltie. Made me look like a star.
So Cory did nothing. It was all Modern Twig.
It was
great.
all Modern Twig.
Everything came in one delivery. It was so easy. They unboxed stuff. They worked around the clock for one day, maybe 2 days. Within, the first day, I could even see the outline of everything. And then when they started putting those doors on, I was just in heaven, because you just always dream of something being that beautiful. And I was like, wait, this is affordable and beautiful. It's like finding a Chanel bag on sale when someone doesn't realize how much it's worth. Like, I just felt like I'd hit the jackpot. The design has been enhanced by these Modern Twig cabinets because, first of all, I think they look bougie and very expensive. I just think that the way they fit together so perfectly and the quality of the panels and the sequencing of them, they look so expensive that I feel like I am in a zillion-dollar bathroom. The new bathroom design is a dream. I have the prettiest bathroom in Hollywood. Come for me, Gwyneth Paltrow, it's mine. I just feel like very happy and fulfilled by this, which I know is ridiculous because it's a bathroom, but I feel it in my soul. I would recommend Modern Twig 1000%, and I wish I had done other spaces in my house with them. Modern Twig, you have me. I'm a lifer. You're never gonna get rid of me.